You have 12 liters of milk, 2 empty jugs. One holds 7, one holds 5. Measure exactly 1 liter. Not a drop wasted. You have 5 seconds. Pause and try it. Most people who try this randomly never find it. There is a pattern that makes every pour inevitable. The rules: pour from any jug to any other. Stop when the source is empty or the destination is full. Try guessing. Pour randomly, and you could pour for hours without finding one. No logic, no pattern. It fails. But 7 and 5 share a secret. Here it is. 7 and 5 share no common factor other than 1. Mathematicians call them coprime. That means every whole number from 1 to 7 is reachable by pouring, including 1. The mathematics guaranteed it before we poured a drop. Now let us find it. Pour 1. Fill the 5-liter jug from the big jug. State 7, 0, 5. Pour 2. Pour the 5 liters into the 7-liter jug. State 7, 5, 0. Pour 3. Fill the 5-liter jug again. State 2, 5, 5. Pour 4. Pour from the 5-liter into the 7-liter. The 7-liter holds 5. Takes exactly 2 more. 3 liters remain. State 2, 7, 3. 3 liters. Hold that number. Pour 5. Empty the 7-liter back into the 12-liter. State 9, 0, 3. Pour 6. Move those 3 liters from the 5-liter into the 7-liter. State 9, 3, 0. Pour 7. Fill the 5-liter one final time. State 4, 3, 5. Pour 8. Pour from the 5-liter into the 7-liter. The 7-liter holds 3, takes exactly 4 more. 1 liter remains. 1 liter. The 5-liter jug, exactly. And verify. 4 plus 7 plus 1 equals 12. Not a drop wasted. Look at every state. At each point, exactly 1 move was possible. Fill, empty, or transfer. Nothing else. The coprime property forced every step. What you watched is Bezout's identity. Because GCD of 7 and 5 equals 1, every value from 1 to 7 is reachable by a finite sequence of fills, empties, and transfers. These 8 pours are the constructive proof of that theorem. RSA encryption, protecting every password and bank transaction on the internet, runs on the same theorem at a larger scale. 8 pours. Is that the minimum? Or can you reach 1 liter in fewer steps? Comment your answer. If you enjoyed this puzzle, please like and share the video. It helps us reach more curious minds. And subscribe to stay updated on our latest deep dives into math and puzzles.